Yes, sir. I know why you're here. You a DoorDash driver and you scared. You don't know if you got security when it come to being on a DoorDash platform. You don't know if you're gonna be deactivated today or if you're gonna have an account tomorrow. It's a lot of uncertainty going on out here. But guess what? I've been deactivated from DoorDash at least 3 times, probably about 4 by now. But guess what? I cannot be stopped. DoorDash does not control my life. They do not dictate if I make money or not. They don't even dictate if I make money on their platform or not. Let me go ahead and show you something real quick. So you see this? If we go ahead and click that right there, as you can see, I got the Dasher app right here. Let's go ahead and click on that and see what happened. I click on it, it opens up, it says signing in. Okay, let's see what happened. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I'm on DoorDash and I can dash now. Well, you know what? I might as well just go ahead and hit that. They ain't gonna let me on till 7 p.m. Hey, that works for me. Let's see what we get. I'm at a 51%. They only offering $20 for a referral.
Man, stop playing with me. What?
That ain't nothing. But good God, man, how does someone who been deactivated so many times get back on DoorDash? Think DoorDash care about all the money that they kept from all these drivers when they deactivate them? Look at this. 625, 3.2 miles. You know I'm about to snatch that. I'm about to get all this money. I cannot be stopped. Now look, I know my haters gonna be mad, but guess what? It ain't nothing you can do about it. And especially when it comes to no DoorDash. Like, I don't care about no DoorDash. What? DoorDash, look, I'm gonna take that back. I do care about DoorDash because it wouldn't be a Dash and Trader if it wasn't no DoorDash. Hold on, let me holler at them real quick. Y'all waiting on them to bring them orders out? Yeah. They look, when it gets to this time period and they ain't got the shopping done by the time they supposed to bring it out, I give up.
Yeah.
30 minutes of making no money?
I know.
Oh my goodness.
I know, but you gotta wait 30 minutes so it doesn't go against.
Oh yeah, I turned on DoorDash. I'm about to go pick up a Chick-fil-A order. Look, hopefully y'all have a good one, okay? But look, like, yeah, Walmart Spark out here tweaking. They ain't got their system together, so guess what? I'm popping on DoorDash. I can prepare myself and make sure that I can continue making that money because DoorDash don't give a damn about you. If you a driver and you drive for DoorDash, let me tell you right now, DoorDash don't give a damn about you, okay? They don't care if you make $1,000 in a week, deliver all the no-tip orders, one customer lie on you and say you did anything wrong, made it unsafe, they finna deactivate your ass and you ain't getting none of that money. So if DoorDash stealing Dashers' money when they get deactivated, you know, let's say they get deactivated for legitimate causes, okay? You legitimately deactivating people, but you don't want to pay them the money that they worked hard for, regardless of that one delivery that may have had them get deactivated. That don't sit right with me. That just don't work for me. Don't worry about DoorDash, okay? DoorDash gonna make their money. They gonna make money regardless if I'm on the platform, if I'm not on the platform. They gonna make money regardless if you on the platform or if you ain't on the platform. So the best thing you can do for yourself is make sure that you can maximize. And the best way for me to maximize, don't tell me when I can hop on. You don't tell me if I'm deactivated or activated. You know what? DoorDash say I'm deactivated. Well, guess what? I reactivated myself. I don't need to call no Dasher support. I don't need no help. I don't need nobody to send me support. I don't need it. All I need for them to do is send me orders and possibly let me in the lodge of the program if possible. I don't need to talk to no roosters, no cows, no chickens, no lobsters. I don't need to talk to nobody. Only thing I need to talk to is this phone and let me know where I need to go to pick up my diamond order or my large order program order. That's all I need, guys. Look, Chick-fil-A is right over there off in the distance. We about to pull up. We about to grab our little diamond order. We about to keep it moving because guess what? I cannot be stopped. And if you want to make sure you can't be stopped, send me an email. You want to get back on DoorDash? You want to reactivate yourself when DoorDash try to deactivate your earnings? Hell to the no. You tell them I ain't taking no tip order. And guess what? I ain't going for no damn top dash. You tell them all that. And then you come on over here, holler at Trader, and we gonna get you together. Let's go. Stop playing with me, bro. When I say I'm coming back, I'm coming back. And when I come back harder every single time. I'm about to make all the money. I done raised my acceptance rate on Walmart Spark. I'm getting $40 shopping orders going 2 miles. Stop playing with me. And now, when I don't get an order on Spark, guess what? I'm about to pull right over here to this Chick-fil-A and grab me a little diamond order, and I'm about to make it happen. And they doing construction right here. So I'm about to be able to get to my chicken spot where they got that chicken hot even faster. Let's see, they got a spicy chicken sandwich meal. They got a lemonade, mac and cheese, another spicy chicken sandwich, some nuggets. They getting it in. Look, don't even worry. We got you. We finna make sure we get that food to you hot. Hey, we pulling up to Chick-fil-A. Been a minute, but we back. Back at that chicken spot where they got that. No orders are ready. Alrighty, we got that DoorDash order in the catering bag. Let's go ahead and close that up. Boop. Hi, Chick-fil-A. Alrighty. First DoorDash order ever. It's my first time doing DoorDash. Let's go ahead and drop this off right at their door. It's an apartment drop off, but it's alright. So we are going to number. Alrighty, we got that delivery done. 625 stays 625. Order, we got 525 for 2.2 miles at Smoothie King. Yes, sir. So this Smoothie King is actually right around the corner from where I'm at now. I'm sitting in this little plaza right here. I just pulled up for real, and I was gonna wait on the order, but I didn't have to wait that long. They sent me one. So if I go ahead and exit this parking place, this little area where all these businesses are, if I exit over here, over that way, Smoothie King is gonna be right over on my left. And then we only going 2 miles away. That means I'm gonna still be in this little radius to get another order. Now, I was scheduled until 7. But I went on and checked in there. They let me extend that thing by 30 minutes. Stop playing with me. They know I'm FDA out here. They say you gotta give him more time. He too fast. You gotta give him more time. Let's get it. We made it to Smoothie King, guys. Now I got my jam playing right there, but I can't put that in the video because then they gonna hit me with that copyright. Hey, look, that ain't got nothing to do with me. I did not do that. Ready to go. One drink. $5. Let's go. Got our first 2 orders done. We are currently at $11.50. Let's see what comes in next. I was scheduled to 7. They let me extend it until 7:30. How y'all digging my white out? I was buying them Rellos and saving up them points, and they sent me a hat, a tray, and a hoodie. Let's go. Stop playing with me. Now look, I made $11.50. You know, in this first half hour, but check this out though. If I was using Solo, I probably could have guaranteed more than that for this first hour, because in this market, I believe Solo has guaranteed earnings of like 13 or something like that per hour. And that's actually better than DoorDash Earn by Time, because DoorDash Earn by Time, they only guarantee you your time on an active hour. And 1 active hour could actually be 2.5 full hours in real time. So go ahead, check out Solo, use my link in the description and run it up, just in case you get deactivated and you need to reactivate your account, but they ain't sending you no orders. They had to play them games. Don't even worry about it. Download Solo. They gonna keep track of all your earnings. They gonna keep track of all your miles. They gonna help you with your taxes. They gonna hook it up for you. Like we heading back to the chicken spot where they got that chicken hot. I'll take a $4 order going 2 miles in a straight shot. Oh, my haters, they so mad. I'm DoorDash. Look, I'm gonna help you out. I'm gonna show you how to get your app together, and I'm gonna also show drivers the types of orders they should take and the types of orders they shouldn't take. So look, if you send me any trash, it's all good. I'm gonna screenshot it. I'm gonna show them what we working with, and I'm gonna show them why they shouldn't deliver those orders and why y'all need to pay drivers more if y'all want those orders delivered. Let's get it. Now we pulling back up to the chicken spot where they got their chicken hot, and if they don't, it's they got me messed up. It better be hot. Hey guys, so we back at Chick-fil-A. We got another Chick-fil-A order. It's right there. Finna go up in there and get that thing. Look, I know my haters is mad, but it's gonna be okay. Email me, hit me up, let me help you on the things you need help on so that you can begin to better yourself and make this money. For all my content creators out there, if you got somebody hating on you, that means you're doing the right thing. Look at that. I'm picking up DoorDash orders. You know, I'm making this money. I'm showing y'all how to make this money. They can't stand it. And you know what? I understand, because I almost can't stand it myself sometimes, how easy it is. Hold on. Boom. How easy it is to maximize. When you understand the YouTube algorithm, the DoorDash algorithm, and the algorithm of life, you can't lose. I got all 3 algorithms in my life on point. The life algorithm, the YouTube algorithm, and the DoorDash algorithm. I cannot be stopped. Not by you, not by anybody you know. You can never hope to even get close to stopping me. What? Man, I'm about to confirm this delivery. Stop playing with me. Yes, sir. Making that DoorDash money. Easy AdSense, easy everything. Boom, we're gonna set that right there. And we're gonna go ahead and get a photo. Smack. Next order, we got $6.25 for 5.9 at Qdoba. And guess what? It's gonna stay right over there because we do not take orders like that. Stop playing with me. Now, I'd rather take this one because at least it's not reverse miles to money ratio. Yes, I like to get a little bit more than $8.75 for 5 miles. But you know what? Since it's my first day doing DoorDash ever, I guess I'll take it. Ha ha! All right, guys, we made it to Cold Stone. Let's go up in here and see if they got this order ready. Who is this thing for? All right, boom. They should have it ready. It's ice cream, but you never know dealing with, you know, DoorDash orders. It could not be ready. Look at this. They got all types of shit in here. Look at that. They got a bird right there. What else they got up in here? It's nice. This is one of the better Cold Stones I've been to. They got lots of room up in here. You can have a whole party up in this damn Cold Stone. I mean, just look at all this space. Drop off this last DoorDash order of the night. Oh, nice. They got a little table right here. Ready for me. I love it. Sit it right there. Boom. You see it. Let's go ahead and get that photo. Good photo. Boom. We out. Last delivery of the night. Add an extra $8 to the tally. That should put me at like $24.50 or something like that. Alrighty, FDA family, as you can see right there, my dash has ended. It's not red no more, so I'm done making money. But I did make that $25, and I'm cool with that because it's not even really about the money. It's about showing you these orders that you should or shouldn't be taking, and how to maximize and how to flex on your haters with your strong arm. You feel me? And my strong arm is DoorDash, because you know that's what I started out with. It would not be no FDA Dash and Trader if it wasn't for DoorDash and all they deactivations and how they just, if they actually cared about their drivers, I would not be as successful as I am. But since they don't give a damn and I match their level of not giving a damn, that's why you got FDA. That's why I'm the Dash and Trader. That's why I cannot be stopped. And that's why you should try to just go ahead and do what you can for yourself. Look at this. We got 625 plus 1.7 miles all day, DoorDash. I'm taking that all day of the week. All right, guys. I said I was going home, but DoorDash sent me a good offer, so you know I got to slide. 625 plus, it could only go up by a quarter. Who knows? But look, I know one thing. I'm not driving 10 miles for a $6 order. I know that. I know I'm not driving 14 miles for one $6 order. What the hell is going on out here? Top dashers? Oh, you thought I was trying to be a top dasher? No. I'm not trying to be no top dasher. What I'm trying to do is make some money. Now, if you want to send me some orders where I can make some money easily, I got you. You know, I deliver them for you. I'll hook it up. Because what you got to realize is I don't need Top Dasher, okay? I got Walmart Spark. I got DoorDash. I got Instacart. I got Roadie. I got Amazon Flex. I got Shipt. I don't need no damn Top Dasher. I keep myself busy. Top Dasher is only for people who like to stay busy. If you like to, if you more worried about staying busy than making money, go for Top Dasher. Accept all them no-tip offers, all them reverse miles to money ratio offers. Take them all. Because guess what? FDA ain't taking none of them. I only want the cream of the crop. I only want the best of the best orders. I did not quit my W-2 to drive around orders free and make no profit. I quit that mug to work for myself and to make money on good offers from good tipping customers. If you're not tipping good, you are not my customer. If you don't know how to tip good, you are not my customer. If you think you can get food delivered to your house in 2023 without putting a tip on there, you are not my customer, okay? And I'm gonna tell you one more thing too. If you is my customer, that's because you already understand all this. You already understand that dashers don't make no money on a base pay. You understand that, yeah, you might pay $7 to $10 in service and delivery fees, but we only get a portion of that. So if you want that food and the convenience it brings to your house, you're gonna throw a tip on there. Those are my customers right there. So pretty much about 90% of the people that's ordering on DoorDash, they not my customer. And I don't pick up their order. And I'm not picking up their order. What you got to realize is the days of me, you know, accepting every offer for a challenge, that's done. Okay? The days of me, you know, just testing out something to see if it's going to be different is done. Because it's not going to be different. It's going to be the same. DoorDash is never going to make it to where a no-tip customer is less important than the driver. It's never going to happen. And they never going to foot the bill of that delivery to make it profitable for the driver. It's never going to happen. So the best thing you can do is use DoorDash the most you can while you can. Maximize. Take only the best orders at only the best times and drive the best gas efficient vehicle you can. Because if you do that, you can maximize. You can make the most out of every single dash instead of being out delivering no-tip offers for free. We got our Chick-fil-A order in the car. Now we got a 1 mile drive, which is only 3 minutes away. And it probably would have been 2 minutes, but you see we got all this construction going on over here. So, you know, you got to wrap around just to get out. But still, a 1 mile delivery, $6.25 plus, let's go.